watch out.
Need to start working out. These stairs are killing me. So we're doing a deep cleaning on this. So what we're doing is taking it apart, cleaning the blower wheel out in there. I don't know if you can see it, get all the mold and all the dust and stuff off of it. And then put it all back together. So. So this is what it'll clean off. Clean all this out, clean the filters out, and then we'll wipe all that down on the inside. It depends. They're all kind of the same, or different rather. Usually I feel like every 2 or 3 years about, but some people, like I know one person I went to already this season needed another one, and they already had one last year. A lot of it goes on how much you use it and kind of things like that. This one, I already know what a problem causing it was, is that this hole right here where the line set and everything comes through isn't foamed. So that means it's just pulling air and all the stuff in from outside and getting into here directly, which is going to cause the mold a lot faster, which is why the downstairs one doesn't need it yet, but this one does. So I'll have to figure out something to put in that hole. Nice and clean. Yeah, so this one doesn't need too much on the inside. It's pretty clean in there to start, so we'll go clean these up. Alright, so we just wrapped up doing the deep cleanings on the ductless upstairs. We did a normal tune-up on the one downstairs. Everything's all cleaned up. They're both running good, ready to go. So we're just going to go inside, finish up some paperwork, and then we'll be on our way to the next call. So we're going good.